So the Samsung Galaxy Ring has just officially came out. And if you're a brand new beginner to these particular rings, they're very cool. They give a lot of information, and I'll go and show you exactly how to use this particular, device. Now, first things first, there's not anything super crazy going on with this particular, Galaxy Ring. It's a fairly basic type of device to go ahead and use because there's not really a screen or anything associated with it. The very first thing is that when you actually go ahead and buy it, one of the big things that you're going to have to get used to is using this particular charging case. So if you're trying to go ahead and charge your particular Galaxy Ring, to charge it is basically going to be the same process as how you unboxed it. So you're going to, first of all, when you get it, it's going to be inside of this particular box. So what you want to do is you want to go and grab your Galaxy Ring and just put it inside of this particular case. So before you even connect it, put it inside of this case. You kind of have to find the way to go and put it in. And it'll go and be placed in like this. Now, on top of that, on the back side of this particular case, you may not even notice, but there's actually a USB Type-C port inside of this particular case, and there's a little bit of a battery inside of it as well. So I think you can wirelessly charge this case as well, but if not, what you can do is you can grab this particular charging, cable, the USB Type-C charging cable, plug it into the back of the Galaxy Ring charging box, and you should be able to see that this particular case will start to charge. So that is basically how you charge your Galaxy Ring. You may think that this is just like a cosmetic thing or it's just like a cool unboxing experience. It is, but also it's the way you're supposed to charge your particular Galaxy Ring as well. Now, taking it out to connect it to your phone, it's very, very easy. All you want to do is you want to go and find your Google Pixel, your Android phone, or whatever you have, your Samsung preferably, and we're going to want to use the Galaxy Wearable application. So if you have a Samsung phone, it's already downloaded, but if not, you can go and basically download it from the App Store, the Google Play Store, and all you want to do is go and open it up. Now you want to go and add a new device, or if you booted it up for the first time, you should be able to see it. And all you really have to do here is find your particular device list. So you can go and find it here, or if you want to add a device, click on the plus button to add it. There's a lot of other things you can do here as well. The setup process is very basic. It'll just ask you a bunch of questions. It'll ask you how you want to set up your particular Galaxy Ring. And then after you go and set it up, it's going to take a little bit of time. I have a video on my second channel on how to do this as well. You will come into this particular page for your Galaxy Ring. Now putting it on is very basic. So you can go and place it off like this. Now what Samsung recommends is that this particular portion right here, this particular line that you have right here in the front of your Galaxy Ring, that is how you're going to wear it on your, that's going to be palm side. So this particular indent right here that you have, that is going to be what you're going to put closer to your particular, palm. So just like this, that's how they expect it. So you can see that particular line right there. That is how they want it. Palm side up, that's how you're supposed to wear it. And you can wear it on your ring finger just like this. So that is basically how it's done. Now, there's no buttons on here. There's nothing. It's just a basic ring. The rest of the stuff you're going to be configuring around with your particular Galaxy Ring is on the application. So now within the application itself, there's a lot of things you can do. Again, this is within the Galaxy Wearable application. You'll have the name of your ring right here and basically the battery percentage. Now what you can do is you can read through all these particular settings that you have right here. So the Galaxy Ring can configure your energy score, sleep, and heart rate, which is really, really cool. So if you ever want to see that stuff, you can see that information right here. Now you can tie it with your Samsung account here too, and you can kind of go ahead and get some settings involved with that. But like I said, the main things you're going to see inside of your Galaxy Ring application are going to be right here, your energy score, sleep, and heart rate. Now you can go inside of your health settings here if you want to go and monitor your particular information a little bit more. So you can go and get a heart rate alert or sleep schedule if you want to go and get those things. You can predict your period with skin temperatures, your activities to detect, and your inactive time right there as well. Hopping back out, you can go and reset your particular Galaxy Ring as well within this particular portion right here. You can go and update your particular Samsung Galaxy Ring by clicking on Ring Software Update, and you can go and update this particular device. So that's another cool thing. I'd probably recommend going through and updating it every once in a while. That might be a smart thing to do for some people. You can go and hop back out. If you want to get more things associated with your ring, you can go and come into this portion as well. And if you ever lose your ring, you can go and find it here. So clicking on Find My Ring, and you should be able to find it there as well. So that is that. Now, a lot of Samsung applications and other applications are tied to the ring as well. So what you can always do is you can go inside of your Samsung app, you can go into Samsung Health, which is right here, and you should be able to tie in your information that you have within your Galaxy Ring inside of the Samsung Ring application as well. So you can see right here, I have my, my steps, if I'm walking or whatever, I'll see it here. I think my heart rate is available on here too, so it says keep track of heart rate. You can go and find your heart rate here if you want to click measure. Now mine's probably gonna be a little high because I'm like, making a video. But that's an example of something you can do as well. And it'll go and monitor and kind of show you exactly what you're doing as well. Now on top of that, you can go and get your stress levels, your blood oxygen, so many other things here too, which again is a really, really cool thing. So overall, in my opinion, this is a really, really cool thing. I love this particular, ring a lot. I think it's an awesome little feature. I'll probably tell you, it's a very basic thing to use again. That's kind of at the core how you go and use it. But I'd probably recommend getting used to it just by using it on an everyday basis, making sure you got the right ring finger thing associated with it, making sure it's in the good, making sure you can put it in and out. I almost got it stuck. I didn't realize how fat my fingers were. But that's basically how it's done for the most part. That's how you use your Samsung Galaxy Ring. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.